Hi and welcome to my video about making a side number plate for my Harley Davidson. However, it doesn't have to be a Harley Davidson, it could be any bike. I've made a side plate, side number plate, but I wasn't particularly happy with it. You can have a look at it here. The problem is it's very flexible. Because it's fixed, there's more chance of it getting knocked and bent. And in fact, I've already done that once. I don't know whether you can see it, but I made an alloy bracket. However, I felt it was about time I made something a little bit better. So I've started making a side number plate using a motorbike foot peg, a clicking motorbike foot peg. Excuse the mess. That was donated to me by my friend George, who owns a company called Tech Bike Parts. I thought I would give him the plug since he gave me the peg. That's the side that the number plate's going to mount onto, and this is the side where we've got the mounting. I've made a bracket. This bracket that's the bolt for the shock absorber, and that is the area where the actual where this part of the peg fits in, so you get a nice snug fit. Now obviously the beauty of it is that when it's on the bike showing the number plate, it'll be like that. I'm going to obviously do a video showing you of me fitting it, although I think it could be quite boring. And then all I do is when I don't want to use it, and the beauty of these pegs is they click. So you hear the click? So now if that's put in the shock absorber, it's going to be mounted flat. So just show you on the wrong side, but it'll be mounted flat like so. The peg, I have modified the peg. I'm fortunate enough to have a lathe, and I've basically machined off all of the heavy knurling that you would normally have on a foot peg, just because I just think it looks nicer and a bit more like what it's designed for. A couple of bits of tube, drilled and tapped, and a couple of bolts that hold the plate onto it. So bear with me, and I'll do the next step, which is actually the fitting of it. Okay, I've now actually fitted the folding number plate bracket, and here it is. And as you can see, hopefully it folds out the way. Unfortunately, I had to put a nut and bolt through here to tighten it up because the whole thing was flopping about, but that's a minor addition, and make sure that the actual this bracket is properly attached to that bracket. So there you go.